friends. I'm with all my besties, do my hair.
It's a cute fit. I think I'm gonna wear it. This is the color. How cute.
Don't wait too long. Don't wait too long. Don't wait too long.
I want to do a what's in my bag. I look like shit. My eczema is acting crazy, so I have like black castor oil. So if it looks shiny, that's what's up. Should I do a what's in my bag of what I brought in my purse last night? It has a long strap. You can see in some Instagram posts. I didn't use a strap. That sounded dirty. Okay, so I wore it like this. I'm trying to reorganize and put everything away, which I have a terrible habit of like not putting things away until like I need them again, and then like things get chaotic. If you know, you know. But yeah, let's just, little mirror, random $5 bill, I don't know, chapstick, which I need, gloss, a roll-on perfume oil thing, pillow talk, medium, nail glue, ID, vape, this tiny little MAC lipstick, what is it called? Velvet Teddy. This little eyeliner thing I use on my brows and my lip, and I have this little MAC eyeshadow in Wood Wing, but I use it as a highlighter. Oh, is that everything? Yeah, that's everything. That is everything in my bag. I don't know if I showed y'all. If I did, I'll insert a video or like a TikTok of my body, but I had like the nicest like all over shimmer, and in case anybody is wondering what it was Trophy Wife. I literally just took Trophy Wife on this brush, and like after moisturizing everything, I just kind of buffed it in. I really don't need any on right now, but you can see, can you see that? You can see that, like Trophy Wife. Getting ready to go hang out with my bestie. I'm literally just wearing the yellow camo pants, and I'm gonna wear docs. I don't even feel the need to show you, because if you're an OG, you already know what it looks like.
I put it down on the wrong one. We ain't got nothing in common. A boom boom done good wine, I'm on man. Now I got good pussy.
I'm planning to go buy this cute hat to support like a friend. I have a thing to go, like there's a party later, so I'm gonna get ready for that later, probably with you guys, but for right now, yeah, I'm just gonna, oh yeah, I put beads in my hair. You can't really, I put beads in my hair. But yeah, I'm just gonna go run, buy this hat, see what the vibes are. Oh, I wanted to mention, okay, so that dress that you saw in the Niagara vlog, the cute little mini dress, I didn't end up wearing it like while we were there because it was a little cold. If you want to see the outfit that I actually ended up wearing, head to my main Instagram. But yeah, I did wear it another night, so that's the vlog that you're gonna see today. This right now, this vlog. I think my eyebrows look crazy, but you know what, that's okay. I don't know if you care or not, but I'm also like, I have a waist wrap on. Shout out to sadistic children, and try to disregard the fucking fire alarm. I'm not changing the battery. It's just not my fucking problem. It doesn't bother me. But yeah, I have my waist wrapped up, so I'm going for a nice walk. I'm gonna sweat, I'm gonna get my hat, and then I'm gonna get some weed and probably a burrito, and yeah, that's that. Yeah, I just got home. I managed to secure the hat I went for. I also got some fucking cargo pants. I am so excited to show you what they look like on. I got two different kinds. Okay, here's one of the pairs of pants that I got. It's giving. And then I don't know if you can see, but there's like a camel version, very similar. Or if you've seen the yellow camel pants that I have, same pants, but just green. So I have to free myself from the captivity that is my hair. Yeah, this is a cute fit. I think I'm gonna wear it. I wasn't sure about how my hair was gonna look with the fit, but I'm digging it. They're adjustable as well. They're Velcro adjustable, which is interesting. I love men's construction pants. You can like, no matter how much you eat, no matter what you do, you can like make them comfy, and you can't really tell. And I'm not gonna unzip them right now, but they unzip and they can be shorts too, and they're high-waisted. Like, okay, shop at Army surplus stores and construction, I don't know construction what, but like they sell the hard hats, the fucking hard steel toe boots. Wherever they sell that type of shit, you go find some nice ass pants, deadass. Okay, I got my wings and shit. I'm gonna go smoke a joint real quick before I eat though. So yeah, I think actually I want to wrap up my baby hairs because it's really hot and I feel like they're gonna sweat out. But yeah, so I'm about to customize my new wig. Well, first I'm gonna show it to you. So came in a cute bundle bar gift bag, adorable. This is the color, how cute. Dark roots, which I love. 13 by 4, I think. I wish I could try it on right now, but my braids are so massive. It's really cute, but I need to bleach the knot. I didn't get it customized just because I was gonna be like another 10 days of waiting. And homegirl's like about to go on vacation, so. And this is like what I'm gonna be using to bleach it. I'll update you like as the day goes on. I have things to do today, so I might start right now depending on scheduling and all that, but yeah, I'll keep you posted. Let me just say, I've never been so scared to handle a wig in my life. It's so soft and it's so long and it's so beautiful that I'm literally terrified to do anything to it. But I really need to bleach the knots, so we're gonna do that. I need to take out my braids though, because like, they're slaying and they're giving what they need to give and everything, but like they look really cute and I'm kind of not ready to get rid of my beads. But I kind of am at the same time. I don't know, I just feel ways because I like don't think I've served enough in them, but I'm also like ready to stop this fucking noise. I'm over it. I'm so over it. They're still so good though. They're not even like frizzy yet. Low-key, I know I really shouldn't waste this hairstyle yet. I'm so tempted to just cut everything off, but I'm not gonna do that yet. Okay, so I've decided that I am gonna take out my braids today after all. Yeah, low-key, like they're super cute, a little annoying. I'd probably go shorter next time just because 1, they're loud, 2, they keep hitting me if I turn too quickly. It's just, I don't know, sensory overload a little bit. So yeah, these were cute, they were fun. I was gonna do a styling video of like different ways to style your braids, but I've just been wearing it in the one half up, half down. Sometimes I have like 2 tangles in the front and like maybe sometimes on the sides, but like really I've been keeping it pretty simple. But yeah, y'all get the point. I'm gonna try it again, but probably with thicker braids and shorter length. So yeah, they're cute though. These beads, I really like them. At first I got like beads that were like considerably smaller. I might insert a clip if I feel like it. I don't know what I was thinking. But yeah, so that's how I'm gonna spend my evening. I'm gonna be taking these out. I may come back with my hair out. I don't know which part of the process I'm gonna update you guys in on, but I'm just excited to like get the wig started, and I'm afraid to do anything to it before I can like try it on my head and like measure things out. Yeah, stay tuned for updates. Say goodbye to the beads. Like low-key, they're giving me so much grief, so it is what it is. But yeah, stay tuned. Finally got my braids out. I need to change my battery, but this is what my hair looks like. Hair always looks so good fresh out of a braid out. I've got to wash it, condition it, braid it, all of that. But yeah, I think it looks so cute. Okay, it's not that straight, but this is as straight as I'm getting it. I'm gonna go get frozen yogurt, so I wanted it to be like somewhat presentable for right now. I'm just throwing on some lip liner by Charlotte Tilbury, Pillow Talk Intense. I have the lipstick in medium if you want to see what it looks like. Don't mind my ashy ass lips. But right now I'm just gonna put on, this is from the beauty supply store. I feel like it's such a better color on my lips for lining than what I've been using previously. I look so greasy. Froyo fit shorts, Sean John top. Cute. We about to do nails. It's not gonna stay open, but yeah, I'm about to make a new set because I need it. This is what those look like so far. Okay, I have a music program thing, so I'm about to get ready for that. I'm pretty much wearing the same outfit I wore to the birthday party, but just different hair. Yeah, that's about it. So I'm gonna beat my face, and I don't know when I'm gonna update you, to be honest, but oh yeah, here are the nails. So we'll do that for now, and I might show you the full look. I'm gonna be running late though because I have to curl my hair as well, so we'll see.
What's up guys? I'm with all my besties, do my hair.
I'm gonna leave that in, eh? You could do my intro.
You're welcome.
Yes, thank you, bestie. So when are you gonna come help me change this fucking fire alarm battery? When are you gonna help me?
Depends.
Because nobody else in this fucking house is gonna do it.
It's gonna cost you.
Oh, shut up. Oh my god. You could bless me.
I can see what I can make happen.
How do I look?
Ooh.
Is it giving?
So we making a movie tonight or what?
Ah! I'm dead! I mean...
Don't wait too long.